Hello, my name is Tatiana, and I'm working at Swiss Space Center. I'm a PhD student there, and today I launched one experiment called innovative Sociokinetic experiment. I created in collaboration with Computer Vision Lab. Today I installed 3 GoPro cameras for 3D reconstruction from 3 points of habitat, and 1 camera Kinect. So with the help of output which I can get after this experiment, it will be videos and recorded joints and angles of each participant. I can understand the analytics of trajectories of participants inside the habitat and postures, statistics of each participant, and as well as statistics of staying inside the habitat. For example, how much time each participant spend in each meter of this habitat. I can apply it to the layout of the habitat. And I believe that it can be very important also for space exploration, because we're going to, when we'll go to the moon or the Mars, we will live also in confined conditions. So, and the environment around us should be built in an optimal way, and we need to feel as comfortable and performant at the same time.